Now let's create an interesting ArcPy script by which we can make our print result more interactive. Even we can print the data source of a particular layer also. For this purpose, let's load our previous script by which we can identify the first layer of this data frame. Here was our script. In here, as a result, we have seen the first layer of this data frame, which is first data frame. Let's make this more interactive. We can make the print as print space double quotation first layer of first data frame is, we are giving this string. So before the result, it will print this sentence. Then we need to use plus to add this string value with the result string value, because the result of this layer name is also a string. So we can add two string value in our print result by using this plus. Now let's see the result. See, in here we can see first layer of first data frame is USA city point. Let's save this. Layer detail. Let's clear this. Not only that, we can do something more. Say I want to see the data source of this layer. For this purpose, we need to do the same. In here, we need to change the text and the data source is, in here the layer list property will be data source. Now press enter, again enter. See this magic? So in this way we can make our print result more interactive, and we can see not only the layer name, we can see the layer detail also with this interactive printing. So in here we can see the first layer of first data frame is USA city point and the data source is this one. Now save this in this layer detail. Yes, replace this. Now we can use this in our further GIS work. We don't need to write all of this script again. Even we can use this script without opening ArcMap window. So this is the another power of ArcPy. We will learn this also in our further lecture. That is why we need to create this script so that we can do our GIS work without opening ArcMap. Now let's do this practically in your interface.